A little bit of a quick mid-month garden update. We're looking at my Joe-Pye right now. Very chewed up, but looks like it's gonna flower soon. I've seen Joe-Pye in full sun that's already flowered. Last year this bloomed white, and I think that's probably gonna happen again. Joe-Pye isn't usually white, but I think because of the deep shade that it's in, that's just the way the cookie crumbles. Looks like I'm gonna get a lot of flowers. Last year I only got one, like kind of stalk that flowered. This time it looks like I got a lot growing there. And I'd say it's probably like 2 feet tall. Maybe I'll try and collect some seeds and move it to a move some babies to a brighter location. I'm also thinking of collecting some runners from my wild strawberry and just putting it in some of the gaps here in the fall, because why not? Hydrangeas are looking better. The color on the buds isn't too burnt out, so I think it'll look nice in the fall. Last year we got a big freeze and then it just kind of all died. Got some suckers from my Virginia Sweetspire coming up. Garden phlox is putting on some growth. Not garden phlox, woodland phlox. And excitingly, looks like both of my sneezeweeds are going to flower. Oh, and look, a little bug friend. So excited to see that. I didn't expect it in such deep shade, but you know, the native plant nursery owner told me that they would flower in shade, and she was not wrong.